Hey friends, it's Christina Howard with Legacy Real Estate in Grove, Oklahoma. Come along with me today as we explore 3 different homes currently on the market in the Grove, Oklahoma or Grand Lake area. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first home is located at 3119 Buffalo Lane in Grove, Oklahoma. This is in the Buffalo Shores South subdivision. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has been recently updated and is offered at $370,000. The primary bedroom offers beautiful French doors going out onto the deck and a beautifully remodeled primary bathroom with a double-headed shower and a separate soaking tub. Thank you to Legacy Real Estate Agent Cody Hollenbeck for letting us tour this beautiful home. Our next home is also located in the Buffalo Shores South subdivision. Welcome to 1629 Diller Drive in Grove, Oklahoma. This luxury 3-bedroom, 3-bath home is being offered at $550,000. Residents in this subdivision have access to a neighborhood pool and clubhouse with membership. The primary bedroom features crown molding, a tray ceiling, and a luxurious primary bathroom suite. I know that I love, and I think that you will too, that this second bedroom also has its own private ensuite bathroom that spares no expense in the luxury category. A special thank you to Legacy broker Steve Duff and agent Zachary Stencil for letting us view this absolutely beautiful home. If you would like to view either of these beautiful homes or any home in the Grand Lake, Oklahoma area, please give me a call. Christina Howard, 918-791-8693. Until next time, God bless.